Hi, my name is Grace Morshon, and this is my Wacky Wednesday video. So, most of you know about that 2018 trend of slime. Well, I'm here to explain the science behind slime and other non-Newtonian fluids. Slime is a gooey, sticky, and extremely fun substance made of glue and some kind of bonding material, usually borax. Some of the materials that you will need for this experiment are glue, food coloring, borax or baking soda and eye solution, water, glass containers, and mixer sticks. This is a Newtonian liquid, water. Its viscosity is affected only by temperature. Non-Newtonian liquids, however, are also a thing too, christened after Sir Isaac Newton, the scientist most famous for his discovery of gravity. Newton, however, also studied liquids, discovering the concept of Newtonian liquids, but he never got around to discovering non-Newtonian liquids, which are liquids whose viscosity is affected by the application of shear stress on the liquid and temperature too. These are non-Newtonian shear thinning liquids. Shear thinning means that their viscosity goes down when the liquid is agitated. For example, when you shake ketchup, it comes out more easily. Slime, like cornstarch mixed with water, which I don't have right now, are non-Newtonian shear thickening liquids. Shear thickening means that when you agitate or press on them, the viscosity goes up and they act more like solids. Glue is made of long chains of polymers, or polyvinyl acetate, also known as PVA. The glue can be poured from the bottle really easily because these chains slide past each other well. But the liquid is already pretty thick because the molecules of glue are very large. Borax and eye solution both contain large amounts of borate ions, and these ions cross-link with glue's polymer chains, creating very large molecules that are already hard to slide past one another. The long chains of polymer in the substance generally settle in random coils, oozing everywhere, but when pressure or shear stress is applied, the coils of the thing unwind and entangle, making it very difficult for the molecules to slide past another, raising the viscosity and rendering the liquid almost a solid for a short amount of time. These are the chains of the slime before you apply pressure to it. When you do apply pressure to it, they become long strands that are entangled with one another, and they no longer flow like a liquid. This is the chemical equation of how borate ions cross-link with glue to create slime. This is my procedure for making slime. So first you should start with the eye solution to baking soda ratio. What I usually like to do, I take 12 teaspoons of eye solution, put it in a separate container, and then mix it in with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Add as much glue to the mixing cup that you want, how much slime you want. To customize your slime, if you want your slime to be stretchier and oozier, you should put 1 teaspoon of water. If you want your slime fluffier than normal, easier to press, then add a little bit of shaving cream. And of course, depending on what color you want it, you should put in a few drops of food coloring. Then, using the stirring tool, mix all the different components of your slime so far. To activate your slime, add a few teaspoons of the baking soda and ice solution mixture that you created earlier. Only use one at first though and then start stirring to make sure you don't over-activate it. Once you've added activator, when you stir, the slime should start to collect around the mixing tool. If it doesn't turn into slime already, you should add a few more drops of your activator. Once your slime's been properly activated, you can take it out of the container you've been mixing it in and start kneading it with your hands. It'll be very, very sticky at first, but don't add more activator because then it'll be too rough. Just keep kneading, keep kneading. Uh-oh, how do I turn the camera off? Once you're able to knead the slime without it sticking to your fingers, you know that you have finished it. You've created slime. Now here are some common mistakes that a lot of slime has and how you can make it better next time. One of the most common mistakes in making slime is over-activating your slime. As you can see, this slime has no stretch whatsoever. It's kind of breakable and chunky. I must have added too much activator. Another mistake that's a bit less common, but also possible, is using this wrong type of activator. So, my first attempt at making slime this week, I could not find borax in my house, and so I used a type of cleaning material that I thought was very similar to borax, and clearly, it didn't work out. So, not doing that again. Be careful of making sure that it's actually borax. That's all for my Wacky Wednesday video on slime. Thank you for watching!